Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Python and pip are ready because Jupyter runs on them. Create a virtual environment to isolate packages. This prevents version conflicts later. Once created, activate it so you install into env, not system Python. Then use pip3 to install Notebook or Jupyter Lab. Make sure to update apt first to avoid missing dependencies. These steps prepare a stable, reproducible workspace and get you into the terminal flow immediately. Next, you install Jupyter and configure access. This is where control matters. Use pip3 to install Notebook or Jupyter Lab depending on interface preference, because Lab gives integrated file browser and terminals. Once installed, generate a config so you can set a password or token and adjust the default port to 8888. If you want remote access, bind to 0, 0, 0, 0 and use an SSH tunnel. This secures traffic. After configuring, start the server to check behavior and note the access token line. Finally, run the server with no browser on a headless machine or simply launch locally if you have a GUI. This starts a kernel and serves notebooks. Open http://localhost 8888 and enter the token or password you set. Once done, save notebooks frequently and stop the server with Ctrl+C when finished. If something fails, make sure your virtualenv is activated. Verify if rules allow port 8888.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.